Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create metallic silver gradient effect in Photoshop. Start by opening your text or logo layer, then double click the layer to open layer style and choose gradient overlay. Click the gradient preview bar to open the gradient editor. Set one color stop to light gray and other to dark silver. Add a mid-tone stop for a realistic shine. Choose reflected style to mimic metal reflections. Adjust the angle until you see that chrome look. Increase contrast slightly for extra sharpness. You will notice how it looks polished and professional. Add a tiny inner shadow for realism. Now duplicate the layer and